class of 7-Star Convent School. See children, today we will talk and learn about the games. See these games, we have learned in the previous class that we should take breaks from our works and do the activities we like to do for fun and recreation. So some people they prefer to pursue their hobbies during leisure, and others they like to play with their friends and family members. See, this playing is very important and it's make us happy and cheerful also. See, we play different kinds of games and sports, like we play cricket, football, chess, ludo, swimming, badminton, basketball. We play different games, but some of these games are played indoor and some are played outdoor, some are played individually and some are played in a team sports. So let's talk about its type. Let's talk about the types of games. See here, types of games we have: indoor games, outdoor games, individual games and team games. Now what is this indoor games? See, indoor games is a game that is played in the four wall of a room, in the houses, in the school, in hall and auditorium. See, sometimes this entire stadium is built for playing the indoor games, like Netaji Indoor Stadium in Kolkata, and we can say the Talkatoora in New Delhi. See, there are various kinds of indoor games, like here we can see ludo, carom, table tennis, basketball and squash. These are all the parts of the indoor games which are played indoorly inside. So this was about the indoor games. Next we will talk about the outdoor games. See, outdoor games. What is the outdoor games? Outdoor games is the games which is played outside in a open ground or in a stadium. So like the games like cricket, football, hockey, cycling and kabaddi. These are played outside. Next we will talk about the individual games. See, the individual sports. This individual sports, it involves two players in each team to compete each other. For example, like archery, shooting, wrestling and boxing. See, these are all the individual games which are played by the two players. Next we will talk about the team games. What are these team games? In team games, see, two groups in this team, two groups are played to compete with each other to win the game. And here the games, in these team games there is to be more than one players. See, the required numbers of the player in each game varies according to the sports. Like we need 11 members to play in each team for the football and cricket, and for basketball we need 5 players in each team to play. And some games like Scrabble and badminton, table tennis, squash, etc. These are the games which we can play both the individual and the team. So this was about the team game. Next we will talk about the importance of games. What are the importance of games? See, like indoor, outdoor games. The outdoor games, it help us to make our body fresh, our mind and body it make healthy, and it makes strong and alert. And it keeps playing regularly like soccer, cricket. It makes us and keep us very healthy and fit. See, some games like chess. This chess, it make us to develop our mental capabilities. And while playing these games, we should follow the rules which are given, because it helps us to know the importance of or understand the importance of the discipline. See, like the games, various kinds of games, like the team games. See, during team games, during the play of a team game, all the players of the team, each team, they should all work together to win the games, because it will help for the development of the team spirit, and it will teach the importance of working together to accomplish the sports which they will play with. Next, we will talk the important to have sporting spirit and maintain rules of games to ensure fair play. Means the sporting spirit, the games of the sporting spirit. See, we all know that if we play any game, there is a set of rules that all the players should follow. See, during the play in any game, in any games which we play, there is to be a rules that used to be announced before the play of the game. So, following the rules of the game, it will help us to make what? The amiable, means it will help us to play in a friendly manner. So, we should make the sporting spirit in us. Next, we will talk about the playing as occupation. Some people, they develop and they are interested in certain sports, yes, and they make this sport in a rigorous training. They undergo the rigorous training and they make these sports as their occupation, yes, and they are called what? Sports person. See, they also represent and win the accolades for their country for representing for the international sports events, like for the Olympic, for the World Cup, and for the Commonwealth, yes, Commonwealth Games, etc. See, some of the important sports person, we can say like Sachin Tendulkar and the Yuvraj Singh. See, they are the cricket players, and Saina Nehwal and PV Sidhu, they are the badminton player, and Viswanathan Aman, he is a chess player, yes, and Abhinav Bindra, he is a shooter, and Sania Mirza and Leonard Pace is a tennis player, and Dhyan Chand, he is a hockey player, and MC Mary Kom is a boxer, and like Bhaichung Bhutia, he is a football player. So there are different some of the sportsmen in our country India. So these are the different players in our country. So children, the topic, the concepts which we have talked about the games, about the types of games, about the importance of games, and about the playing as an occupation, which we have talked today. I hope you all understood very clearly. Thank you.